Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Costello, and for my field trip I chose to visit the Conservancy of Southwest Florida. The reason I chose to visit the Conservancy is that they are a nonprofit organization and have been not only paving the way, but leading the way in environmental advocacy for over 50 years here in Southwest Florida. Also, I've lived in Naples for a long time and I've never checked the area out, so I figured this would be the perfect opportunity. Their team includes wildlife protection and rehabilitation, along with scientific research, policy, and education. There are many things to explore at the Conservancy, as they offer an educational center, nature trails, a wildlife hospital, learning labs, kayak rentals, and boat tours. On my trip, I opted to try out one of the guided boat tours. As I was waiting to get on the boat, I couldn't help but notice the vast mangrove ecosystem I was about to embark on. As we started the tour, it really put in perspective on the importance of mangroves and the role that they play in our local ecosystem here in Southwest Florida. What we are seeing on this tour were mostly red mangroves, and here's a few words from Captain Doug.
There are three types of mangroves in the continental United States: red, white, and black. The red mangrove is considered a salt excluder, and does not take salt into its roots, and is most salt tolerant of the three types of mangrove trees. The black and white mangrove trees are salt excretors. They're less salt tolerant, but they take salt into their roots and they excrete the salt to the back of their leaves. The Native Americans used to use those.
I chose to sketch the red mangrove, better known by its proper name, Resiphoria mangle. On the bottom are the prop roots, which allow the tree extra support, takes in air, filters water, and gives shelter to aquatic species. On the top you see branches and leaves, which act as a shelter and home to the birds. They also protect us from high winds and hurricanes. Captain Doug also did a great job of explaining just how severe the loss of the mangrove forest has been to the state of Florida, mostly due to residential and commercial development. Deforestation of mangroves is the highest of any other type of forest here on Earth. Along with deforestation, mangroves also face many challenges due to the invasive plant species. Some of these invasive species are the Australian pine tree and the Brazilian black pepper tree. Both of these invasive species can drastically affect the mangrove forest ecosystem. When I got off the boat tour, I decided to go check out the Discovery Center. They had on display the different type of ecosystems Southwest Florida has to offer, with the mangroves, the Everglades, and the upland. I also chose to sketch the green moray eel, known by its proper name, Genothorax phenobri. The green moray eel is not actually green. It has a brown body covered in yellow mucus that protects it from various bacteria and parasites. They like to hide out in coral reefs and rocky shorelines. Eels are in fact fish, but they do have scaleless bodies. The dorsal fin begins behind its head and extends along the length of its body and is fused with the caudal and anal fins. They lack pelvic and pectoral fins. I would definitely recommend the Conservancy of Southwest Florida to anyone who wanted to learn a little bit more about the ecosystems in our backyards. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.